Ever wondered what it's like to be at the heart of innovation at Google? Step inside the Research Scientist Internship 2025 and discover how you can contribute to groundbreaking projects in AI and beyond. Dreaming of a career at the forefront of technology? Google's Research Scientist Internship 2025 in Australia is your gateway. Over 12 weeks, immerse yourself in groundbreaking projects in AI, NLP, machine learning, and more, alongside world-class researchers. Enjoy a fully funded experience with a generous stipend, housing support, and relocation assistance to make your transition seamless. Eligibility? Be enrolled in a relevant graduate program, proficient in languages like Python or Java, and have a passion for research. Apply by June 17, 2025. Visit the Google Careers site, search for Research Scientist Internship, Australia 2025, and submit your application. Hear from past interns who turned their Google experience into thriving tech careers. Your future at Google starts now. Apply for the Research Scientist Internship 2025 and be part of something extraordinary.